I'm going to show you my top 5 favorite tools that I use every single day to find these top trending meme coins. Even at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a 6th bonus tip, so make sure you stick around until the end, smash the like and subscribe to support the channel. One of the first tools that I love to use in meme coins is banterbubbles.com. Here I can get a visual representation of the top trending coins happening right now. I can see Joe clearly taking up the majority of the screen, showing up over 1100%. Other coins 24%. Clearly Joe is the biggest meme coin trending today. I can even go by weekly and see which is the biggest weekly trending coin. Still Joe up massive. GME and some of these other coins as well. I can even go by month and see that Peanut is one of the biggest trending coins this month, even Pepe, plus Zero Bro. We could even go over the hourly and see by the hourly top trending coins. You can not only check just by meme coins, you can track all the top trending coins by different market caps and different tokens from 200 to 300, even by ecosystem. So I personally love checking the Solana ecosystem. And overall, you can even go by categories. Here we can check on meme coins specifically, but maybe AI coins, artificial intelligence coins are also trending big. So it might be a good idea to check into artificial intelligence, and even gamify. Gaming coins also doing quite well. So we have all these different categories, ecosystems, rankings to choose from to find these top trending meme coins each and every day. The next tool that I really love to use is dexcheck.ai. I really love this website because I'm able to really quickly see the top trending coins by volume. So instantly, just on the home page, it instantly is selected the top volume for the last 24 hours, and it's now going by volume. The top coins in volume you can track. You can see even right here being an Ethereum coin. Also, I do really like to change over to the Solana blockchain. When I change over to Solana, you'll see the same settings, 24 hours, and also volume is selected. So now I'm seeing the top volume Solana meme coins. This coin up quite big today, and also having over $47 million in total volume, $35 million in total volume, 30 million, 30 million, 27 million. So really, I'm able to quickly see the top 10 trending meme coins by volume and able to go in, do some technical analysis to find where could be some perfect entry points. You can track all the latest traders, can even go by market cap and even check by pair age. So the top trending coin for today is only just hit the market 9 hours ago. So we can deep dive here, actually come over and look at the chart. One of the only things I don't like about DexCheck is currently you can't select by market cap. I'm only able to see by the overall token price. On the right hand side, you can see market cap. So 20 million accounting for that 2-cent range. So overall, when it looks like it hits $1, that will then be a billion market cap, which is very, very common. But overall here, we've clearly found a trending coin. Can now come in, do some technical analysis, add my indicators to the chart, and find a strong pullback zone for an entry. Also really like to use rugcheck.xyz. Here you can check Solana token market. So we'll just come back here and just grab this latest coin. Address has been copied to clipboard, and then you paste the token address here into rugcheck, and overall it will do a quick rug check for you. So you can see the overall mint, that's the address, the total supply being 1 billion. Here's the token creator, current market cap just shy of $20 million. You can even see the LP locked is actually 75.88%. So if we were to come back and even have a look at the current liquidity that is locked, so we can quickly see it's not 100% liquidity locked. We can see where the LP lockers are. It's on Radium, which is great to see. You can see right here, LP locked and the liquidity pool. You can also track all of the other traders. So right here, some other traders holding 1.5% of the total supply, 1.49, 1.41. And even right here, we can track all of the different markets that it's available. So Sol, jail, Sol, and also some different decentralized exchanges that we can track. A lot of the times when we do find a bad coin, it will quickly tell us right here. Can even show you an example. So here I've actually found a new coin that just launched, and here rugcheck is telling us risk analysis danger. Top 10 holders own a high percentage of overall ownership. Single holder owns 96%. Low liquidity. So there's only $1 in liquidity. It's a copycat token. So right here, the token is using a verified token symbol, high ownership, low amount of LP providers, and also the token metadata can be changed by the owner. So this is something that you definitely don't want to see, and is why RugCheck is so useful to quickly check overall tokens. And here we can see the creator. So right here, the creator, his same wallet address is now holding 96.36% of the total tokens available. So clearly a danger token to watch out for. There's another great cool website here. It's called checkdex.xyz. So what this actually does is you're here to find tokens on Radium that have actually paid for trending or paid for listings. So let's actually paste the address for a specific token in here. We can check Dex Screener paid. So let's click that right here and actually have a look. And we can see paid. So Dex Screener paid for this token right here. And overall, we know that this particular token has actually paid for trending. And we can even confirm that. You can see ads, it has this ads banner in the top right hand side. It's also showing that they paid for Turbo, and the reason why it's trending as one of the top 25 hottest coins right now is clearly because they have paid for a lot of this advertisement. Now, the fifth tool that I love, right before I give you the bonus tool that I'm using each and every single day for meme coins, right here, dextools.io, come over to this left-hand side section and actually click on stats. Then I'm also in this top left section selecting the Solana blockchain. And also here, when you have a list of decentralized exchanges you can search for, I'm always going for Radium. So we can see Radium right here being the #1 decentralized exchange on Solana. So we now have the hottest Radium pairs. 10 of the hottest Radium pairs are listed right now. We can actually go through, click right here to show the live data. Now we can go in and do some technical analysis to find which one of these top trending coins could actually be traded right now. Are we too late, or is there still some potential to get into these coins? We can open them up and overall see, go by market cap. So we can see this was the coin that I was looking on DexCheck. Currently now can change it over to market cap. You can see even all of these coins. Can scroll out, go to the 1 hour, overall see how the price action has been going. You can clearly see that the hourly trend is massively up and to the right every time we come back to the over exponential moving average, looking like a perfect time to look for long entries, because clearly we'd know where our stop would need to be in the market. Going through and seeing even more trending coins. This is one of the bigger market cap coins, over 300 million. But even here, just in this last day, clearly using this EMA, and look how we're perfectly now supporting off the EMA at 280 million, already up a solid amount, nearly 20% on the trade. So I love to find these top trending coins right here that are available on Dex Tools, and then I can go in and do some analysis to find which coins I do want to enter in. And now my bonus tool that I use every single day, the Telegram trading bot TradeWiz on Solana. You can use the link in the video description. You get a massive discount on all your meme coin trading fees. You get free access to their copy trading smart wallet feature. And also right here, as soon as you paste in the address for any specific coin, you can instantly enter. Right here, you can click one of these buttons for 2.2 Solana, 0.5, 1, 5, or even X Solana, and I can instantly be entered into a meme coin trading position. Plus even tell me right here and give me a little bit of a DEX check to see that the contract is renounced and the liquidity pool has been burnt. I love trading with TradeWiz, especially using their smart wallet feature and copy trading features. So there we go. I've shown you my 5 favorite tools that I'm using each and every day to trade meme coins. If you have enjoyed today's video, smash the like and subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next video.